Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a very simple breakfast. Let's go. So we're going to be using the air fryer today. We have one piece of bread, which we're going to be buttering on both sides. We have one egg and we have a glass. We have a bit of baking paper here that just helps in the air fryer with any mess. Let's get this bread buttered. So there's our bread buttered. I haven't buttered the middle, and that's because we're going to be using the glass to cut out a hole in the center of the bread. Let's get that done. So the glass, we're going to just push down, and then I'll get rid of that middle bit. And there we go. There's our piece of bread with the hole in. The bread's actually stuck inside the glass there, but we'll get rid of that. Now we're going to get the air fryer preheated for a couple of minutes and then we'll start cooking. So guys, the air fryer is saying to add food. Let's do that. So we've put the baking paper with the bread on top in the center of the air fryer. I'm going to crack an egg into the center of the hole. Perfect. We're going to sprinkle a little salt on top. And we're going to air fry this at 160 degrees for 7 minutes. And here we go guys, we're coming up to the 7-minute mark. Let's have a look inside. And there we go. There's the egg in the middle of the bread. What we're going to do now is flip this over. Be careful when you do this because it can be hot. There we go. And over it goes. Now we're going to cook it for another 3 minutes at 160 degrees. Let's do it. And here we go guys. So it's 10 minutes of cooking at 160 degrees. Let's look inside. And there is our egg on toast. Let's get it on a plate. There we go guys, it's on a plate. Very crunchy bread. The egg is done quite well, so there's a little bit of runniness to it, but not a lot. If you wanted it a bit runnier, then the initial cook, maybe take that down to about 6 minutes, but I quite like mine like that. If you like the video, please hit that like button, leave any comments down below, and hopefully you'll subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more cooking videos. Thanks for watching guys, bye for now.